I was watching this small waterfall and then I found this. It's a 5.2. We're doing a new walk on our waiting moments. It's weekend and there is not a lot of stores open in the weekend in Sweden. Apparently it's even worse in Finland. Now, yeah, the big stores, the big branded stores are open, but like for gas and a tire shop or a garage even, they're not open on Saturday or Sunday. But it's now Saturday and we have to do 2 more days. It was raining. See, it's really cloudy. I don't gonna have a lot of solar and I'm pretty low on my main battery. I still have my additional battery almost full, so I'm not to worry, but then I need to connect it again. So, and then I lose, yeah, I think they are not very efficient, my little chargers. I think I lose 15%. Yesterday I replaced the blowout tire, then I fixed nee, achter. Nice gedaan, achter. He always wants to go front. Nee. Nee. I recognize these now. These are ant hills. It's crazy how much they carry up. This is a huge hill. Yeah, my hand is a half a meter from that, so yeah, it's more than a meter sideways and more than a meter high. And they all carry pineapple leaves, those things, one by one to that mountain. It's crazy. Yesterday, fixed the tires. Fix the tires. Why do they leave those cans here? Are they now seriously? Swedish beer. This is 6.3. That's special. I thought the Swedes didn't do that. But the youth here is kind of special though. Yeah. In those bigger town cities, they are really special. They're a little bit, yeah, losbandig. It starts to rain harder and harder. I go back. The tires tomorrow, it's Sunday, then I drive on. I wanted to do this today, but this is an okay spot. I don't know the next spot, because the next spot is 100 kilometers, it's not that far. And then I only need to do 15 or something, 10-15 kilometers until the city to fill out the gas and change the tires. I hope they have the tires in stock, so I don't need to wait. Otherwise I come in troubles with the dogs' permission to enter Finland, because we need to be in Finland before Tuesday 4 o'clock. So I can do Monday everything, then drive. It's only 160-70 kilometers to the Finnish border, so I can do that in 1 day and then I can sleep. So I'm in Finland at least, yeah, on time, perfectly on time. That's no worries. Maybe even Monday, if the tire shop and the gas is easy. It's only half an hour. What's this? That's a tile. It's actually a really... Oh, is it wood? No, it's plastic. What's this? Yeah, it's really light to use as a holder for the caravan or something, because it's so light. Yes. I take garbage away from nature and I can use it. And if I don't use it anymore, see? These are like brushes. That's a weird thing. It's filled with it. Clear out nature from plastic. Use it myself, and whenever I don't need it anymore, I put it at the right place. A lot of other burning spots. And it's their campsite. Oh. I even think they made the toilet here. Yeah. Yeah. It's with that foam, so you can do your business here and then have a quiet evening with friends and then do your shit there like 5 meters away. And a wood shop block. I think they had a chainsaw with them. After 2 nights and 1.5 days, because it's 2 o'clock now, it's 12 degrees. It's raining now for, let's say, 30 hours straight. I repaired everything that could be repaired to take this trip. This trip is also a 2-day journey, because I'm only gonna do 110 kilometers today. And then I need to stay the night, because the store for the gas, for sure, is only opening at Monday in the morning, and the tire shop as well. So I'm gonna find 2 new tires, the gas bottles filling, and then I can come. But now I'm on a tire, a good tire, a spare tire that's probably okay for as long as it blows up. But then the other tire that has the fix with the tap, I take good care of that. I'm not gonna go fast. I'm gonna check the pressure regularly, and yeah, see if it's not eating itself up. I have good hopes in it. I have 2 plugs in it, so they are really good tight. Oh, they forgot something here, and I'm gonna take it. If they forgot it, I'm just cleaning up. I clean up other people's mess. I do that all the time. Oh no, Roadworks, and I can see them on the map. So that's where I destroyed my tires. So now it's raining. It's quite a bit of raining, so there is water on the surface on the road. I'm doing 90 on the car, but 80 in real life. Nice. And but the tires can't get warm now, so they're being water cooled. I have water cooled tires. I'm gonna drive a lot slower. Oh, it's only a patch. Check. It's only a small patch. Longer patch. I'll drive slow, I don't care. There is room enough to pass me. pass me, they can pass me. I don't care. Okay, I'm kind of a little bit screwed. This says that the gate needs to be closed, stay closed. And this says that the gate needs to be closed. Yeah, I can open it just to go to turn. Otherwise I need to get the caravan over here, in here. Yeah, I think it's gonna work. Let's try. Oh.